Liquid Earn allows you to earn rewards on your crypto balance held at Liquid. To visit the Liquid Earn dashboard, log into the platform and choose Liquid Earn from the top menu. Our reward calculator makes it easy to calculate potential earnings. Simply select the crypto and fill in the amount. By toggling the duration, you can easily check the potential rewards for the expected duration. To start earning, simply click on Earn on the choice of your cryptocurrency you would like, then click on Continue on the subscription terms. If you would like to earn rewards for all eligible assets, fill in the checkbox and hit Confirm. That will enable you to start earning rewards on all cryptocurrencies that are part of Liquid Earn. If you would like to only earn on a selected crypto, click on No Thanks. All set. It will now display that you will start earning from next accruing time. Once accruing starts, the Earn dashboard displays your earning progress. On the top section, Earning Balance is displayed. This shows the total balance of cryptocurrencies you are subscribing to Liquid Earn. Next, you will see Lifetime Rewards, which shows you your total amount of rewards in real time, including total rewards earned and accrued rewards to be paid out. Pending Reward is the total amount of rewards to be paid out. Lastly, Earn Rewards is the total amount of earned rewards that are already paid out. To unsubscribe, simply hover over the cryptocurrency you would like to unsubscribe, then click on X and hit Confirm. Liquid Earn allows excellent flexibility with no lock-in on your balance. Earn while you trade while you earn. Try Liquid Earn today.